Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Volkswagen CC key fob. Before we begin, please make sure your key fob has a fresh, working battery. A weak battery is a common reason for programming issues. Also, gather all key fobs you intend to program or resynchronize, as some methods require all keys to be present during the process. We will cover common self-programming methods that often work for many models. If you have two working keys, this method is often effective. First, insert one key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use your second key to manually lock and then unlock the driver's side door. Now, return to the key in the ignition. Press and hold its unlock button for 1 second, then release. Repeat this action up to 4 times until you hear the car's horn honk, confirming successful programming. For situations where you only have one key, or if you're resynchronizing after a battery change, try this method. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Ensure all vehicle doors are closed. Then, manually lock the driver's door using the interior lock switch. While the key is still in the ignition, press and hold the lock button on the key fob until you see a red light blink. Release the button, and your key fob should now be synchronized. If these methods do not work, don't worry. First, double-check your key fob battery and try the steps again. For some newer models, or if you are programming a brand new key, professional assistance might be necessary. An automotive locksmith or your Volkswagen dealership can program the key's immobilizer function, which is often required for full functionality. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.